Hey, this is Keltic from Wicked Witch Production. Doing another quick spread tonight. This one's called Magical Vibes. Gotta get a little witchy. The measure out the background. It's 4.5 wide by 7 7/8 high. And trim the pages down. Has some really cute ephemera going on this one. This is going to be my left signature. My right signature is going to be two different pieces because I want to put a tear in it. Let's give it a little dimension. This piece is going to be on the bottom. Figuring out how much I want for the top. It still ended up being a little too big, but we'll fix it. We're going to rip it using the speckled ruler. I'm going to ink it up with the ground espresso from Tim Holtz. And stick a piece of paper underneath to like kind of really work it into the tear. Just working on the edges. Whenever you're working with paper, you want to make sure the edges are colored if you're using a dark or black background, because most paper when you cut it has a white core. Forgot the corners. Round the corners real quick and go back and re-ink them. Me personally, I like to do a little more ink on the corners so it looks like it's got a little shadow. With this dark especially, going on the black background, you want to do something with the edge or you're going to see that white border. It's just a personal preference. I'm going to glue these down with wet glue because it's all cardstock. It's a little too long, so just trim it, throw corners on it, re-ink the corners and that top edge where I cut it. Let's get this glued up, flip it over and put it on. If you ever find yourself doing a little heavy-handed with the glue on the edge, press it down with a paper towel because the paper towel will get it. You want to watch smearing it on the black background because even though it dries clear, you'll see it. Excuse me, throw my ephemera on. I'll start with the chalice and get my witch on, add her little frame. Get the cauldron on. The black hat on the other page with its frame. Ink up a couple of the cutouts. You can't see the words on the stuff right now. On the left signature, it's "The moon is magic for the soul and light for the senses." On the bottom, it says "Magical Vibes." On the right signature, it'll say, "Those who don't believe in magic will never find it. And like the moon, we must go through phases of emptiness to feel full again." And underneath the wolf, it says, "As when the howling of the wolf is heard, all is dark again." Up top we have the stag And that's it for us. Hope you enjoyed. Looking forward to the next one. And we'll see you next time. Have a great night.